The Morgan County judge is now deciding if one of the co-defendants in the 2020 murder of 7 people in Valamosa Springs is competent to stand trial. The defendant, John Legg, appeared in court today. Legg's co-defendant in the case, Frederick Rogers, was convicted and sentenced to life in prison earlier this year. News 19's Emily Moser brings us the details on what happened in court today.
Tamika, today's status hearing was to discuss how to move forward in determining if John Legg is mentally competent to stand trial in the case. Legg's attorneys argue that he has a severe mental illness, which deems him incompetent to stand trial. Legg has undergone a mental health evaluation, and according to court records, doctors have found him competent. During Monday's hearing, his attorneys waived a competency trial by jury, which means the decision is fully in the hands of Judge Stephen Brown. Judge Brown said he would take the results of the mental health evaluation under advisement. Brown said he won't set a trial date until he knows what's next. Now, there's also an update in the case of Brian Mann. He's a Decatur chiropractor who is facing attempted murder charges. He's accused of attempting to poison his wife in 2022. Now, I also attended his status hearing in this case today. Now, during the hearing, Mann's attorneys asked the judge to change his bond agreement. He's currently required to turn himself in every weekend and spend the weekend in jail. His attorneys argued that Mann has complied with this condition for more than a year and is not a flight risk. They asked the judge to consider giving Mann a GPS monitoring device to ensure he remains in Morgan County. Attorney said the monitoring device would be in the form of a watch that could track his location in real time. The watch would also automatically trigger a 911 call if Mann violated the no contact order with the victim in the case or if he left the designated radius. Judge Charles Elliott says he's inclined to grant this motion. However, the paperwork will need to be officially filed. Mann entered a not guilty plea in October, and his trial is set for March 3rd of 2025.